Let's turn a pair of socks into doll tights. You'll need a pair of socks or any stretchy material that you have, sewing machine and needle and thread, a serger or lighter, a pair of sharp scissors, sewing pen or chalk, and the pattern. If you don't know how to get and use the patterns I show in the videos, take a look at this video in the channel. Nowadays, my patterns are only available for tracing, but as soon as I monetize my channel, I'll make printable patterns available as well. Turn the socks wrong side out, then cut them open so you can place the pattern on the socks and trace it on them. Remember not to trace the closures area, this small Velcro area, if you're making the tights. When you're done with the tracing, leave 1 centimeter seam allowance and cut the pieces. Before we go to the next chapter, can someone tell me what is this beautiful anime doll or anime doll? Now begin to sew the pieces together. Hand stitch first, then go over them with the sewing machine. My darlings, let me mention that you have to stitch these parts first, then flip what you have like this, and sew the inseam. Now that we finished sewing, let's remove the threads of hand stitching and trim the seam allowance to 1/2 centimeter or 0.2 inches. After trimming the seam allowance and edges, if you have to serge or melt them using the serger or a lighter. Now let's turn it inside out and try it on the doll.